So I've been negotiating a potential sponsor for the channel, and we've got the big bolter giveaway. Stick around to find out more. Easy now, craft fam, it's your boy Gilmaster G. You already know what it is. So I've been talking to a company called Free Bricks on AliExpress. They're the ones that I got the Orc tank from. They've said to me that if I can get enough interest through the channel, then they're going to start sending out some free products for me to do reviews on. Because I've ordered 2 things already, they said that they're going to send out the Akira bike. If you're not familiar with Akira, it's an old anime from like the 90s, maybe even the late 80s or something. But I grew up on it as a kid, and one of the main protagonists is a guy called Canada. His bike is sick. Anyway, he said that he's going to send me out a little model of that. It was only like £4 or something, but yeah, I mean, each little step helps. So that's going to be the first sponsored video. On top of that, we've got our giveaway. So thank you very much to everyone who's been supporting the channel. I appreciate it so much, honestly. And in a way to say thank you to you all, I'm going to be giving this away. I've done a random prize draw from like a comment picker, and the comment that has been picked is from Lindsay Young. So thank you very much for your support. Thank you for entering. If you send your details across to me, then I'll get that shipped out to you. So thank you very much to everyone for all the continued support and that. If you let me know what it is that you want me to be crafting, then I'll be trying to craft some of these things. But I've got a sort of structure planned for how I'm going to be doing the giveaways from now on. Each week I'm going to be giving away a Space Marine Lego figure until they're all gone, and then hopefully by then I'll have some of these like little Akira models and whatever else which I'll be giving away. For each 100 subscribers that I get to, so each big mark, I'll be giving away either the bolters, the choppers, the orc claws, whatever it is, the big items that people are requesting me to be giving away. So once again, thank you very much for all your support. Much love to the fam. I hope you all have a good day. Peace.